Netflix basic plan quality explained in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you and explain to you about the basic plan on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So here you can see I'm on netflix.com/change plan option. Currently I have a premium plan, but I will explain to you what the basic plan is all about. So we have got up to 4 different plans. The first plan consists of mobile that offers you 480 pixels. The second plan is basic that offers you 720 pixels of quality. Standard plan is 1080p. Premium plan is the most expensive, giving you up to 4K. So the basic plan right here can actually be watched on any device, whether it is your phone, tablet, computer or your TV, and you can only choose to download on one device. So it's most likely easy for 1 or 2 users. If you're sharing your account with the maximum of 1 people or 2 people, then this is a good option for you. So you will get up to 720p, which isn't really that noticeable when you're trying to view it on mobile, but of course if you're trying to log in or your computer or your tablet or TV, then it could be noticeable. So it's a 720 pixels of quality. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.